At the Schaefer School of Engineering and Science at Stevens Institute of Technology, our researchers are developing innovative solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. As the dangers of climate change increase, coastal resilience researchers at the Schaefer School's renowned Davidson Laboratory are studying ways to mitigate coastal and structural damage caused by hurricanes, storm surges, and other types of flooding. They also developed and operate the state-of-the-art flood and storm surge prediction system that warns officials and residents in New York and New Jersey of rising waters along their shores. Meanwhile, scientists at Stevens Center for Environmental Systems are developing sustainable technologies and deploying systems to convert industrial and municipal waste into useful products, like forms of renewable energy, as well as advanced remediation techniques to remove toxic substances from water, soil, and air. Stevens engineering students are immersed in experiential learning opportunities around sustainability and smart infrastructure, such as designing and building environmentally resilient, award-winning smart homes. When it comes to sustainability, Stevens researchers dive deep for innovative solutions. The Schaefer School of Engineering and Science, driven by discovery.